everyone. I'm just having a great morning walk. So this is my daily morning walk. And then actually tatamad talaga ako, pero pinupush ko yung sarili ko na mag-walking kasi syempre mahalaga to every morning. And then yun, dito lang ako mag-isa kasi hindi ko kasama yung mother ko. And then later on, pupunta tayo sa Salcedo, Makati. Magsasolo day tayo doon. And ayun, wala siya masyadong tao kasi maaga pa naman. Actually 5 AM pa lang, 5:30 AM gano'n siguro. And then wala ng tao. Ako lang yung tao. Saturday today. And yeah, I'm just going to do this kasi kahit tinatamad ako at gusto ko nang umuwi. We need to do this, guys.
So haven't you thought about that? How can I live without your love? 'Cause I'm nothing without you. How can I live without your love? I'm nothing without.
Hey everyone! So, nakaligo na ako. And then, conflict ako kung anong bottom susutin ko. Meron akong ganito, pero hindi pa yun tapos. Hindi lang yan ganyan. May gagawin tayo dyan mamaya. Yung partible ko kasi nasa baba. And then, nandun yung bag ko. So, nandun yung partible ko din. And then, di pa yun ganyan guys. Basta may gagawin tayo dyan. And then, conflict ako kung anong ipapartner ko dito sa my skirt ko. Ito kasi yung skirt ko. Then, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ipapartner ko. Kung yung George short ko ba, or itong pants, or itong skirt, long skirt na something. So, nakapili na ako ng outfit na susuotin ko for today. And, mamaya ko nire-review sa inyo kung ano yung napili ko. Kung ano yung nagustuhan kong fit for today. Mag-makeup lang ako. Mag-asikasa lang ako. Then, I'll update you guys kung alis na ako, okay?
A wise man said it's really cool to be holding wine on a bay, or like a leaf of fall. Salang Ivan, bang bang.
So, I'm just minding my own business here. And here's I don't know, here. And people are just watching, but I don't care. They are minding their own business. So, we mind our own business too. Ta-da! Kapal na mukha ako, oh my god. Taking my pictures over there. So, may building na yun. Kanina. I'll show you later. Hello po. Afternoon po. Hey guys, so nakaupo ako here sa sobrang init. Pagod na ako. Nakakapagod maglakad. So I do not recommend this when you don't have bicycle, car, or anything. Nakakapagod and mainit siya. Init, pero pahapon naman na. And a while ago, while I was sitting here, there's two guys who interviewed me, and their name was John and Francis. And then they interviewed me about Mother's Day. Kung ano yung sasabihin ko sa mother ko. So, i-add nila ako sa Instagram and i-accept ko siya. Mamaya, edit tong kung ano ko na siya ngayon. Doon, dito lang ako mag-isa. Sa tapat ng park dito sa may south side of village. It's basically so hot. So, I just got home. Actually, kanina pa ako nakauwi. And dapat talaga magstay pa ako ng matagal dun sa may Sada Village sa Makati. Pero, kailangan ko na umuwi kasi basta, may emergency ako. Yun, may emergency ako. And then, ayun, nakuwi na ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Sumakay na ako. Pero, yun, nandito na rin ako kasi sobrang init talaga sa labas kanina. And then, sobrang, I feel like sticky, something. Tapos, ayun, i-edit ko lang itong mga vlog ko. Ipopost ko na yung mga picture ko, which is check out my Pinterest, Kuling Banana. Check my Facebook account, Kulin Fabricante. And check my YouTube, of course. Diba? So, I just have to edit right now. Kasi, ayoko na mag-edit bukas. Gusto ko na siyang i-upload ngayon. So, see you guys for my next weekend solid vlog. And I hope you enjoyed coming with me at gumala ulit. Kasama niyo si Dora. At ako yun, guys. And ayun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with your friends.